Zonebee can help you in keeping all your learning activities and your learning experiences organized. It's very simple. First thing I need to do is to log in. And I'm going to click on the Login button on the right-hand side of the toolbar. And I'm going to log in with the same username and password that I used when I registered on Zonebee to download and install the Zonebee toolbar. So I'm going to log in, and as you can see now on the right-hand side of the toolbar, my latest learning goal that I pursued with Zonebee shows up. I called this my learning goal. I'm going to set my new learning goal, and since I decided to learn about Charles Darwin, the scientist, I'm going to call this learning goal Darwin. I can use any text I want. The next thing I need to do is to answer 3 questions Zonebee asks me about my learning goal. I don't have to, but it's useful if I do that. First thing I want to answer is whether I know a lot about Charles Darwin. And I think I'm going to be neutral about it. I kind of know something about Charles Darwin, but not a lot. The second question is whether I'm looking for a specific answer. And I think I'm going to disagree with this. I'm really exploring Darwin. I'm not looking for anything specific right now. And I can always, of course, change this later on. And then whether I chose to learn this, and I'm going to say that, yes, I definitely agree with this. So I'm going to set my learning goal, and now my learning goal shows up at the right-hand side of the toolbar, Darwin. Now, this is my target. It's there to remind me that this is what I'm pursuing. And of course, I can always go back and reset a new learning goal and pursue multiple learning goals at the same time. But as long as I have this learning goal set, this is going to be my target. And Zonebee is going to remind me of this. The next thing I need to remember is to push on the record button, to click on this button, and then, as you can see now, the button changed color. It turned white. And this means that now Zonebee is recording every action that I'm executing, and under the learning goal named Darwin. So when I feel like I'm done with my learning or I want to take a break, I can click on the record button again, and that means that Zonebee will stop recording my actions under this learning goal Darwin. And it's asking me whether I want to post my data to the server, and I want to keep my data right now on my computer, so I'm going to say no.